Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today's unboxing event is for the Ryzen 5800X processor. I finally got my hand on one of these. These are the easiest to find. Now this is from Newegg, and this is my absolute first purchase from Newegg. So let's see how Newegg does in Australia. Alright, so basically that's what you get. It's a little bit like Amazon and Catch.com, you know, things like that. That's basically it. Nothing too special, nothing too flash. Let's open this up. Okay, so a lot of cushioning there. Oh, okay. So there's the bad boy. All right. This is what makes every computer guy crazy. All right, guys, let's give this unboxing a start. Okay, so nothing too flash there. Everything's standard. That's the processor. Okay, it's a bit out of place. This is pretty exciting, guys. Okay, I've just stuffed that up. Now, unboxing things like this really makes you appreciate how well Apple's products are packaged, and any other company that packages and takes pride in their packaging. This is absolutely, they didn't care about what you're going to feel like trying to pry this open. In all fairness, I should have had a cutter. Alrighty, there you go. Finally, guys, it's there. Bang. Okay, it's opened up. Okay, slip inside. Nothing else. I'll just stick it here. There's nothing else in the box. The empty. That was just to hold the CPU against the box. Okay. Please read. Just a little bit about the processor and how it needs a BIOS update. Okay. Other than that, you've got an installation guide as well. Okay. And how to exactly install this thing, this bad boy. Okay, the sticker comes right off. I don't know if even that was supposed to be there. So that's the nearly $700 CPU without a fan. Doesn't even have a fan included in it. That's the reason why a lot of people go for the 5600X over this one, as it comes with a fan and is quite a bit cheaper. Okay, this is the important thing here. Okay, try not to bend those. Okay. Alright guys, that's basically it from me. I hope you guys really enjoyed that unboxing. It was a bit nerve-wracking for myself, and let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see when I do a review of this AMD CPU. And how did it go? Okay, what do you guys want to see done in regards to the CPU? What kind of tests would you guys like to see, and etc, etc. Also guys, this channel is completely funded by me. I don't have any sponsors and things like that. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do so really easily by subscribing to it. You'll also get more of my content, and also give it a like so other people can find it as well. Other than that guys, I'm also on Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. You can follow me there, it will help you. And I also have Patreon, so you can find me there if you guys feel like it. Okay, all right, thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Let me know in the comments how I did and what you liked and disliked about it. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.